Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and professionals out there, the Dyne cutting oil. This isn't just any cutting oil, it's the best motor oil brand for high-mileage machines. Stick around to find out why this product deserves a place in your toolbox. Let's dive right into it. Dyne cutting oil is a game-changer when it comes to metal cutting. It's proudly made in the USA and designed for those who demand precision, efficiency, and longevity from their cutting tools. Here are some of the remarkable features that make Dyne cutting oil stand out. This cutting oil is your drill bit's best friend, whether you're working with power or manual metal cutting and drilling machines. It excels under high pressure and is compatible with all metals, including stainless steel and titanium. Dyne cutting oil is not just for lubrication. It also extends the life of your cutting and drilling tools, as well as power drills and machining equipment. It even provides the tack needed for hand drilling and thread cutting, ensuring a safer working environment. Say goodbye to overheating and friction damage. This cutting oil reduces heat, making mechanical processing of metals easier. It delivers clean and precise cuts while prolonging the life of your equipment. Applying Dyne cutting oil is a breeze. Simply use it between the cutting tool and the workpiece as needed during your work. Maximize your speed and feed time with this simple-to-use threading oil. It's perfect for operations requiring high tolerance, precision, fit, and finish. To achieve the best results, apply Dyne cutting oil between the cutting tool and the workpiece as needed throughout your project. It's suitable for all cutting operations that demand precision, tolerance, and a high-quality finish. Reapply as necessary to keep your tools performing at their best. And there you have it, folks. Dyne cutting oil, the best motor oil brand for high-mileage machines. Whether you're a professional machinist or a DIY enthusiast, this product can help you achieve cleaner cuts, longer tool life, and a safer working environment. If you're ready to take your metal cutting to the next level, click the link in the description to grab your Dyne cutting oil today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. And let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy cutting!